Right guys, we couldn't come to a show without looking at some tech. So we've looked at the caravans, we've looked at the motorhomes, we've looked at the vans, now let's have a look at some tech. So I'm here with John from Alco, and we're going to have a look at a new levelling system, mainly for caravans.
This is for caravans. We do have a levelling system for motorhomes as well.
So we're going to have a look at one full caravans, that's what we're interested in. And we're always interested in new things. So how easy is this to use?
So what we've got here is our level C. It's a full integrated levelling system for caravans, and it's so easy to use. In fact, it's so easy to use, I'm going to show you it, but you're going to do it.
Right.
Okay.
So here's the magic finger.
Yeah. That. I'm going to turn it on first. There you go. Then, as you see, you've got an arrow going up and an arrow going down. Well, you want the jacks down, so what do you press?
Down. Oh, here we go.
Simple as that.
So what does it do? Have sensors?
So what we've got here is two hydraulic rams in the middle, which take the weight. They're the weight-bearing part of the kit.
Yeah.
It's now going down. It's going to lift the unit up, take all the weight off the wheels.
Yeah.
Stabilise it there. Once it's done that, then the front jacks will go down. It'll have a little jiggle around, it'll find the middle, find the centre. So there's a brain inside there, which obviously has like a spirit level inside it, which always knows where it needs to go.
And while it's doing all that, it's beeping away, obviously, telling
Absolutely.
you. Yeah.
Warning signs going off that it's moving. Just finishing off.
And what I noticed is on the panel, you'll see the arrows that light up, and then when it goes green.
Yeah. Once you've got a little green dot in the middle, you know then that it's perfectly level.
Yeah.
And then the rear corner settings can go down. And that is it. It will lock it in place, and you're there. And that's it. Simple as that.
And it's so easy, I can use it. Yeah. That is fantastic.
If you want to go up, what do you do? The exact opposite. And it's a reverse process. Some other advantages behind this, one of the nightmares is on twin axle units, trying to get the wheel lock on. Right. You're going to line it up, backwards and forwards, an absolute nightmare. With this, you jack it up, the wheels are off the ground, you can rotate the wheels around and then recycle.
Yeah.
So it's so much easier, really, really easy to use. Great bit of kit. Because you've got the hydraulic rams in the middle, when you sight it, an ordinary caravan, you're sighting it on pneumatic wheels and suspension. Because the hydraulics are actually attached to the axle, that makes this irrelevant, so that we've got direct load down to the ground.
Yeah.
So when you're walking in it, it makes it feel so much solider. You know, somebody moving around, you can hear it, you can feel vibrations. Doesn't remove it, but it certainly deadens it.
Are a lot of manufacturers now moving towards this system?
This is an option that is on all Alco caravans. It's there for availability. If you want one, they will fit it. You can either get it fitted by the manufacturer or take it to an Alco main dealer and we'll fit it.
Because a lot of caravans now have got your Alco system on the front for stabilisation.
Absolutely, the ATC, absolutely essential for any caravan.
And I notice now more and more caravans and different manufacturers are actually going over to that.
Yeah.
So do you foresee this becoming...
Going back several years, the motor mover, everybody turned around and went, it's a luxury that I don't need. Once you've had a motor mover, you never have a caravan without a motor mover.
Absolutely.
This is turning into the same thing. People look at it and go, well, I don't really need it. But once you've had one, you will never go back.
Well, we know how hard levelling is, even with the Swift Base Cam T.
Yeah.
Trying to get it level. We've had it where you're rolling out of bed one way, or you're struggling to get out of bed in the middle of the night. So this really would solve all that.
Solves all the problem. Yeah, 2 minutes up and down.
Sometimes when you're on like a gravel pitch, you can actually feel the caravan move sometimes. Would this readjust itself, or would you have to?
You'd have to, if it's sunk, you'd have to readjust it,
Okay,
but it's
yeah.
one touch press. But saying that, the pads are pretty big, and you can also get shoes that go on them to widen them.
So eventually, would this come with like a controller, or would you?
We've had the controller, we've moved away slightly from the controller. It's a choice, it can be, you can have a controller, or you can have just the touchpad. But hardwired in, it's ever so easy.
Yeah.
It's
And
just one press.
And I suppose that you put it like on a Swift, you have a command centre somewhere near there, or they might integrate it at some point.
Might integrate it, like I say, or put it just by the door.
Yeah.
You park up, you press a button, you go put the kettle on.
So how good's that? Middle of the night, you need the toilet, the van's a bit wobbly. There you go. 5 minutes.
Absolutely.
That easy.
Yeah.
So thank you very much, John.
No problems. Thank you.
Thank you.